So yesterday, me and my stream took the most crazy trade you've ever seen. But when most traders tell you that they've taken some incredible trade, they're just talking about money, a full margin trade, or whatever it may be. This trade was incredible not only for the money, but for the fact that for the 2-hour period prior to this, we had planned this exact specific scenario. This trade is an absolute masterclass in how to approach the charts, do your analysis, pick a specific narrative, and then wait for it to play out and execute perfectly. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a recap of the trade as well as including the entire live clip from the stream because I think it's going to give you an incredible amount of value. If you can apply this to your trading and have the exact same approach from planning to execution, you are going to become profitable without a doubt. So without further ado, here is the analysis. Now, when I jumped on stream, the charts looked like this. After doing the analysis, as I said, the ranges looked so, and essentially, I was very, very clear and certain on what we wanted to see. And that was a retest into this level, but not only a retest into the level, I wanted to see a liquidity grab down here towards these lows. And once we had that liquidity grab, all I wanted to see was a bullish closure above the highs, and essentially, we'd be taking a position based off of that. Now, you can see quite quickly what played out is we actually came down and made a no bottom wick candle on the level. Now, for me, that's a massive indication of a reversal to the upside. And as you can see right here, what did we do? We came and retested the high right there, the previous high, which was good enough for me. The moment we flipped as well, we essentially understood that we had respected the level and we took the trade upwards. Now, like I said in the intro, this was an extremely simple trade. But the point was, we waited 2 hours for this trade to play out, and we took it with such extreme precision that the moment this 30-minute closed, we waited for a bottom wick, grabbed our entry, and as you can see, we were able to ride it up all the way towards the top of the next range. Now, the most important thing for me was during this trade, we actually didn't go ahead and close the trade too early. We looked at this lower time frame structure as well for our confirmation. The moment we closed above this high, we were very certain of the trade, and we actually let it play all the way to the TP at the top of this range. And it was very, very clean and very well executed. No psychology issues whatsoever, and essentially following a plan from beginning all the way towards the end, which is the most important thing. Now, here is the stream clip because essentially me showing you this is going to give you such extreme value. It's going to show you exactly how we execute and manage trades in real time. But before I jump off, make sure you go ahead and drop a like on the video if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're dropping bangers every single day. And here is the stream clip. Right now, risk-free is going to be about 30 pips towards the top of the high, like I said. Well, because you could easily reject that high, right? Okay, chat. Yeah, this is now going to be a risk-free trade. Congratulations on that one. I'm not closing anything just yet. I want to see a strong push through, right? So this is now a risk-free trade, securing our profit, securing our risk. Congratulations. And let's see if this can ride through past the highs. I want to see how it reacts right here. I think I did risk a little bit too small on this trade, to be truly honest. But look, you see how we've tapped into this high and started to reject a little bit. That's where it could be a little bit difficult. So let's take a look. How do I... Right, if I want to close partials, I have to do it like this, right? On futures? Yeah. Okay. What are we up right now? Currently floating like 400 bucks in profit here. Current chart, 15 minis? No, 15 micros, bro, not 15 minis. This is on one account, right? But it's copy traded across. But see, chat, look how we're struggling here, right? We just saw 20, what did we see there? 30 pips profit? Not bad. Oh, see, we're starting to reject though. Strong 1 hour close, 1 minute close. What is, wait, I'm just trying to work this out right now. How would this work out? So I put like, what's TP here? TP should be, yeah, that's perfect. Because I have a consistency rule on this, right? So I think we just let this one ride till TP. If it rejects now, it's going to reject, right? But it's also grabbed a shitload of liquidity on the previous 1 hour. It's also Made a decent 1 minute closure here, relatively strong. What copy did you use? I used the Apex Ninja. I can't remember what it's called, the Ninja Trader one from Apex. If we can get a 5 closed above here, that's going to be great. Chat, my cat's whining at the door. One sec. Breaking these highs, chat. This could be nice. What's up? What's up? So you're gonna be a good luck charm. Wait, no, don't step on my keyboard, man. Chat, I want to see this 5 closure here. If we close respecting, I'll probably manage the trade and just close off. But if we close above these most recent highs, I think you're good to go. TP is going to be, what is that? 110, 111 pips? Not bad, eh? Do you think we're going to hit TP? No, she doesn't give a fuck. Re-breaking the highs. Bro, stop standing on my keyboard, man. We're up about 700 bucks right now, chat. All right, chat. I'm closing half of the position there purely because the 5-minute close, no top wick, right? So I'm closing half the position there. How many pips is that? Closed on this high, right? For 47 pips. Just something light, chat. Just something light. Let's see how the rest of this goes. W's in the chat, though. Absolute killer trade again. Congrats, chat. Absolute murder of a trade, honestly. But the rest can ride now. You broke structure, so I realistically don't see a reason why this wouldn't continue up, right? Oh shit, chat. The trade ran off the screen. That's my bad. So 5-minute made a bottom wick first. If this 5 can flip, that'd be great. So we've secured like what, 500 bucks now? Yeah. Secured roughly 500. I want this 5 to flip though. If this 5 can flip, we'll be good to continue up, take the highs. News in 60. Nah, there's no news today. There's no red folder news. £7 away from passing the apex of ours. Did you close the trade or took a big wig? Gareth, good stuff, man. 5 flipping here, hopefully. This should be good. We can get some bullish closures here on these 1 minutes. You should be good to go. Yeah, closed it. Nice, bro. Take your time, man. Don't rush that next trade. If you're $7 away, just wait for the next position to form, right? And take it with super low risk now, like really low risk. That's a nice 1 minute closure there, chat. We have a 5-minute closure here in 2 minutes. Oh, you're so cute, man. She's literally the cutest cat in the world. Ow. Oh my god. You wanna go outside? One sec, chat. I'll take her outside. Apparently does not want to go outside. Chat, by the way, what a W position, man. Absolute screamer trade right there. Literally, we waited all day for that setup. And it formed perfectly. We took it, and it was a banger. Now we just need to see if the rest can ride here. You're currently still floating 33 pips in profit, chat. So if you want to take it, then take it. But honestly, if this 5 can reject here, and you can start to make some structure in the bullish direction, you should see a continuation. Get it on the record. I'll wait till the trade's finished, right? We've still secured, what, 43 pips? But full TP here is going to be 116 pips, right? I'm just going to let it ride. Even if it's a long one, I don't care. Hopefully we've made a low now, chat, though. What you could do is you could trade with stops below these lows. I don't really see a necessity to do that, though, since you've already closed partials, right? You don't need to be over-aggressive with closing the trades. It should fill the range upwards. Maybe what we can actually do is just take a look to the left and see. Yeah, I think realistically, let's put our TP here, which is gonna be 104 pips. A little bit more conservative, right? Catching that runner? Yeah, bro. I honestly believe that there's no reason for me to close this right now. The 5-no top wick wasn't good. Like, it was not beneficial for our trade. But at the same time, you did break structure with it. So I'm hoping realistically that we do just continue up off of that. But we closed partials because of it, right? So we did secure some profit nonetheless. So I think we have a lot of opportunity here, chat, to just fill the range. But everyone who was like, yeah, you're clickbaiting because you had a profit marker on earlier. I was waiting for this blood clot trade, chat, the whole time. I told you guys what I wanted. We took it. What did I tell you, chat? Every single time, I'm literally just waiting for an exact specific scenario to play out and then fucking taking it. And that's what we did today, right? From the very start of this stream, what did I say? This was a masterclass, chat. This was genuinely a masterclass. From the start of this stream 2 hours ago, I said to you, I wanted a retest in down towards this level right here at 16. Then I wanted a rejection off of it and a bullish close. And that was going to be the buys to fill the range. And we waited 2 hours. And what happened right there is we got the tap into 16, a bullish close off of it. And now we're taking the buys up to fill the range, risk-free, already secured partials. Like, yeah, trust me, pre-recorded stream. There's no way I did this live, right? There's no way I said that from day one, from the start of the stream. Insider trading, he's hacking. No way you're this good. Chat, I'm telling you guys, we do this every single fucking day. This is TRLS concepts to the max, all right? Absolute killer position. This was going to ride up to the highs, 110 pip TP. And even if it doesn't, we've already secured our profit for the day, chat. Literally, you come to the stream for free. I teach you this and you get paid to learn. How the fuck could you ask for anything else? We are literally changing the game with TRLS. It's fucking incredible. W. Small hat for the win. Yeah, trust me. That was it. The small hat today. The small hat today was the one. Clean setup, eh? Yes, yes, sir. SG people will sleep on the fact you didn't enter even though the 15-minute wasn't how you liked. Most people would force an entry after the pump. Yeah, but we don't do that, man. You know that. Small hat trade? Chat, it's a small hat trade. Get me a small hat. Let me find one. Crazy. Chat, re-breaking the highs here. What did I say? Hopefully we can smash TP here, to be honest. Should push up towards the highs. I don't see why not. On the phone. No, none of that. None of that, none of that, none of that. Chat, can we see a re-break here of these highs? And then a continuation upwards. You got a 15-minute close in like a minute, less than 20 seconds. 15-minute close is good there. 15-minute close is good. All right, hopefully we can see this rise up towards the highs here. Just a little extended pump would be good. I think we might need a pullback. There's not as much volume right now, to be truly honest, but the structure's looking great. Just look to the left and see where we can actually go ahead and take this profit from. We need to pump it up on, yeah, trust me. We actually do need to do that. Right, in the past, 40 is a decently strong level. I think we should fill the range. I think we should fill the range, chat. I'm gonna bring this down a little bit, right here, for a total of 100 pips. Fuck it, we'll just make it even. I think we should fill the range. Let's see, chat. We're currently 30 pips away. Nice little pumperoonie should be good here, chat. What should I do with my stops? Let's take a look. Could put them here. Oh shit, I did not mean to do that. You could also trail below the current 15 low, right? But we'll see. Chat, I kind of just want to get to the gym, man. This is taking a long time. This is kind of taking a long time. Are we going to hit TP here? Let's see. We got NYSE open as well in approximately 14 minutes. In my max profit on futures account, risk settings took me out. Yeah, that's why my TP's here, bro, because that's my max profit as well. That's my max profit as well. You know what I might do, chat? Okay, I'm gonna start trailing below these lows now. Below every 1 minute low, I'm just gonna trail my stops. Just because I want to kind of be out of this trade, to be honest. I mean, I want it to pump up, don't get me wrong, and take the TP, but yeah, there you go. Chat. W's. That is the full position right there. That is 82 pips right there. I think it fills the range, but again, I'd rather just go to the gym and chill out here. So that's what we're going to do right now. 82 bomber clout pips on the trade. That is